Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Hey guys, it's Honesty and appreciate you for clicking on my video. Today is a Friday, so happy Friday to you. I wanted to start off the video here because I do have a lot going on this weekend. I should be going to dinner tonight at Ocean 7. That's a restaurant in downtown Kingston. I've been there before. Love the vibe and the food is bomb. You know, it's right at the pier by the seaside, so it's a nice view. And then tomorrow I should be heading to Portland to Frenchman Beach. Haven't been there in a while, so good to, you know, and I haven't even been to the beach in a while, so I'm happy that, you know, I have that plan. And then on Sunday I have an engagement party. My friend got engaged. Like, so happy for my friend. Like, I'm gonna be a bridesmaid. Like, shouldn't ask me to the mom, no, so I have to be a bridesmaid. Like, I know that. So, and you know, funny enough, in my 30 odd plus years, I've never been a bridesmaid. That is crazy. So I'm glad for my friend. My friend came at my girl wedding, and I've only been to a wedding once in my life. You see how crazy that is? That is crazy. So I'm happy for my friend. I'm so happy for you, girl. Like, we're gonna have a ball on Sunday. And also, Burna Boy is in Jamaica. He's having a concert in Jamaica on Sunday. I really don't have any interest, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go, but I'll see how the weekend go. But yeah, so my weekend is full, so I wanted to take you guys with me, and I hope you enjoy this video. While you're watching this video, just, you know, click the thumbs up, the like button down there, and you can also comment while you're watching me, okay? So please comment and leave it down below. So I'll see you guys later tonight.
I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get
all you believe in themselves, turn it up, everybody sing.
I told you guys that I was gonna go out last night at Ocean 7. I did. You guys would have probably just seen like a 5-minute clip of that. I actually I was just so hungry that I didn't get to even like video the entire place, and because we were sitting outside on the deck right by the seaside, like, guys, I couldn't even show you that because I was just so in tune to just getting some food. However, I did order filet mignon with some mashed potatoes. The food was bomb. It's the second time going there and the food was lovely. I love it. So I definitely recommend going there. It's a nice vibe. The music is loud, yeah, but it's really a nice vibe, so I do recommend that place. Ocean 7, downtown Kingston. And yeah, you guys would have seen the food and stuff, and the price is very reasonable. It's not bad. Yeah, so for today I'll be heading to Portland for Frenchman's, so it's gonna be a vibe. I haven't been to the beach in a while, so thank God, you know, I'm gonna get to reach the beach for today. And you guys may know French or I may not, but we're gonna have a good time today, so I'll see you guys later.
2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So, baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute, parachute. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling me.
I haven't checked in with you guys, but I'm just coming back from Portland. Well, probably like an hour ago I came from Portland and I got dressed, so I'm heading to Rocksteady to probably eat some food and have some hookah. This would be my first time having hookah, so I hope I'm good with that and I don't have any, you know, craziness after that. So yes, I'll see you guys at Rocksteady, sorry. It's a restaurant and they also have hookah. It's a seafood restaurant basically. So I'll catch you guys there, and I hope this video is okay so far. I haven't been talking much, but I'm here now talking to you guys, checking in. So I'll see you guys when I'm at Rocksteady.
When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss it hurts so much to think of you. Get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go
So guys, it's a brand new day, and trust me, the plans that we had last night definitely did not work out. Remember I told you guys I was going to go to Rocksteady to do some, what it's called, hookah. When we got there like after 10, and she mentioned that the kitchen was closed, number one. So that was like it for us, because we haven't ate anything. We only had the pork and stuff, the chicken and pork in Portland. But you know, of course we wanted to have dinner, drinks and hookah, so she said the kitchen was closed, so hookah wouldn't make any sense. So then I was driving to Jangas, and then I remembered Chelsea. I said Chelsea should open late, so we went to Star Fusion thingy. The restaurant was open, but they had like a party going on the other side, which was free, but that wasn't our jam. We just wanted some nice food and stuff, so we left. We went to Kingston festival, Kingston thing at Chelsea as well. I can't remember the name of it, and they had you know, jerk pork and stuff, and that wouldn't make any sense because we had jerk in Portland. So while leaving Chelsea, we were passing SOSO Seafood. If you guys know SOSO Seafood, I haven't been there in a while, and like I totally forgot about it. So we passed SOSO Seafood and we heard music, so we just turned back and went there to have dinner. So you guys would have seen that little clip of SOSO Seafood. The food was bomb, by the way. I love the food, so it's on my list to go back. So today is Sunday, World Cup finals, so just getting dressed and we're on our way to Jangas. So Jangas again, like I need to get shares in Jangas. Whoever owns Jangas, like give me some shares. So yeah, we're heading to Jangas to watch the final World Cup. So I'll meet you guys there. And this is my fit. Let me show you my fit. This is my fit. Bodysuit with some cut-up jeans. Alright, this is the fit. So I'll see you guys at Jangas.
When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work. To think of you with someone else.
Yeah, just checking in. So of course, World Cup finals was today, so big up to Argentina. I'm really not a football fan, but you guys saw me where I went to Peppa Thyme. That's what the name of it, yeah. And it was really I'm not gonna lie, the match was very entertaining. Like, I'm not a football fan, but the match was entertaining. But I'm all dressed. No, my friend is engaged, I should say. I was going to say getting engaged, but she's already engaged, and we're gonna have a I think a dinner get together at Smoke House. I actually just came from the venue because I did the decoration. Why am I so tired? I'm so tired. Yeah, so I came back. I did the decoration, so big up to me. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, how the setup was. It's actually beautiful, and again, happy engagement to my friend. I can't wait to be a bridesmaid, girl. I know you're gonna watch this video, so I love you, girl, and I'm so happy for you. We're gonna have a ball tonight at your engagement dinner, and yeah, so YouTube, I'll see you guys there.
Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
So just reached Plantation Smoke House, and you see that decoration, the Christmas lights right there. I did that.
I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
I'm here for you.
I don't want anyone but you.
Ricardo and Shadika.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get